Hey, hi. Are you having a problem with focusing? Now, we're going to review an app which can really help you to focus more. Maybe your distraction is maybe your phone, and actually, that is usually most of the major distractions which people are having, social media, and all that stuff. So, this app is going to help you to focus, and it's going to do it in a more prayerful way. We're going to look at the features of it, how it works, and how it's going to help you to actually focus more, and you can actually earn some rewards as you're doing it. Okay, now the app at its core, it turns focusing into a game. Okay, instead of it turns it into a playful game. You're given actually a cute customizable avatar called a bean friend. Okay, we're going to see this bean friend, how it works and all that stuff. Okay, so the app looks simple. I've tried to focus for the last 5 minutes, and I've completed my challenge, and you're given actually some points. I'm seeing like 5 points. Let me click on OK. So here's Bean. Bean is actually an avatar within the app. I think you can customize it, but I'm okay with the Bean. And you can actually, when you're installing the app, you start by giving it a name. Okay, you give it your name so that they can actually salute you with your name. Okay, so when you start it, you can say, let me actually first say no. It's telling me to take a break. Let me click on. So when you click on, after installing the app, when you click on focus, you can say, I'm going to focus. I'm not going to look on my phone for the next maybe 10 minutes or something. You can increase this to whatever you want. Okay. Maybe I'm not going to focus for the next 60 minutes. I'm going to focus for the next 60 minutes without looking on my phone. As you're doing that, actually the app can really try to pop up on your phone. When you look at the features of this app, they say, see your timer progress when your phone is locked. Okay, so you can actually even know like you need to focus for 60 minutes, no going on a phone. So even if your phone is locked, you can really see your timer progress, like you're remaining with maybe 5 minutes to look at your phone. This usually works for people who are really so distractive. You can't actually focus without going back to your phone. Okay. Some of the features is deep focus mode. It locks distracting apps during your focus sessions. So this one, like even if WhatsApp sends you kind of a message, it kind of locks every distracting apps. Okay. I believe some of you may want to read to focus, but as you focus, you may realize actually there's maybe a message which has come on WhatsApp or a messenger, whatever, or something, maybe a Telegram notification. So if you activate the deep focus mode, which you can activate from here, you will actually, the app will try to prevent anything from actually distracting you. So that's why actually they call the deep focus. It will lock distracting apps. In other words, you won't really get all these notifications for the minutes that you have sent. If you have sent like 5 minutes, you won't really see any distracting app notifications. Okay. Break timers, break timers, decorate on your breaks using the Pomodoro method of productivity. There's a cool way of how you can actually take breaks within the app. You can decorate a lot of stuff. You can try different bean types. The bean skins is this avatar. For me, I'm okay with it. Okay, so here's how it works. When you want to focus for the next 60 minutes, no interruption, no looking at social media, no looking at your WhatsApp, no looking at the phones, no looking at the phone messages. When you start this 60 minutes, it means you are not supposed to go back to your phone. Okay, if you go back to your phone, you make actually being angry. So you're supposed to focus for 60 minutes. If you don't want any distraction on your phone, like maybe notifications for WhatsApp, maybe Facebook, notifications, you can activate the deep focus mode. Okay, you can activate the deep focus mode. You have to give it permission, so you have to tick all these guys. Okay, something like that. You have to tick up all these guys, which I'm not going to do for now, but you have to tick them on, okay, so that you can give it access. Okay, you tick off, actually it gives you opportunity to tick off what you want to silence, because you may be like, you know what, even if I want to focus, but messages from WhatsApp, they are kind of crucial. So you have an option to leave out some apps if you want. Okay, but if you want to focus, you can put everything in silence. It helps you to actually silence everything. So you can focus maybe for 5 minutes when you give a timer. When you cancel it, you make it actually a bit sad. Okay, Darius needs help focusing, something like that. So that is actually how basically the app is, and it has really helped actually a lot of people to focus. I really decided to find this app so that I can review it to help some people find out that there are apps which can help them with focusing. And when you have actually managed to focus, you can get some tasks. Sorry, you can get rewards. Okay, when you start a timer, when you start a focus timer, your bean actually begins a task like knitting socks. Okay, I think you saw him. It can start tasks like knitting socks. The only way for the bean to successfully complete its task is for you to leave your phone alone and let the timer run its own course. So you have to leave the phone alone. Okay. When you accomplish something in this app, you actually when you successfully finish when you actually successfully leave it to focus, you aim after completing a focus session, you earn socks. Okay, you earn socks. These are like the currency. So this currency can then be used to buy furniture and decorations for your business virtual room. Okay, so let's see that. Let me just stop it and make it angry. Okay, it's okay. We have tried it. Let me actually try to cross. Do you want to know? Okay. So within this app, you can try to decorate the room where your bean is living. On the right side, you can see this thingy. When you click on that, you can change the mats. Okay, this plus applies to the area that you want to decorate. If you want to go decorate the floor, you have to use this floor. You have to click on this plus, which is on the floor. You can buy a basic white for 75 socks. You can buy basic base for 75 socks, something like that. If you want to decorate, maybe change the flowers, you have to go to the plus of the flowers. You can change the flowers. This one is 15 socks. This one is basic neutral, is for 25 socks. If you want to make an effect on the windows, you can click on the plus, which is on the windows. Then you can change the windows. Okay, some of the windows are expensive. I'm seeing here 150 socks. You can change if it is the cupboard, something like that, where you can keep the books. I think here there's a lighting. Okay, these are, I think, the flowers on the top, something like that. So let me click on this. I think this is a stall, something like that. So different features carry different socks prices, because in this app you get socks as the currency. The currency is called socks, and it comes here. Okay, whenever you make socks, whenever you accomplish the task, you get socks. So far I have like 5 socks because I concentrated for 5 minutes. Okay, so when you're done actually decorating, you can say done decorating, right? So as simple as that. The avatar, my avatar is called Darius. That's the name I gave it. Darius needs help focusing, something like that. So that's what I can say about this app. The app is actually cool. It can really help you to focus. It's done by a gentleman called Adrian. So this is more of a productivity app designed to help you concentrate by gamifying the act of putting your phone down. So it is actually intended to put your phone down, because phones is where actually most people are losing time. Distraction is killing productivity a lot. Okay, it combines several psychological principles and clever mechanics to encourage focused work sessions. Okay, let me know what you think about the Focus Friend by Hagren. It's actually being used by 500,000 people, and personally, I'm going to recommend it to 3 of my friends who are actually having a problem with focusing. I'll see you later in the next app review. If you're interested in actually finding out different random apps online which can really help you with productivity, sometimes it can be making money online, subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you don't miss those app reviews. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, and bye bye.